we have been doing the problems of height and distance. So write down the questions. The angle of elevation of the top Q of a vertical tower PQ. The angle of elevation of the top, that is a tower PQ, that is a top Q. The angle of elevation of the top Q of a vertical tower PQ from a point X on the ground is 60 degree. At a point Y, 40 meter vertically above X, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of tower PQ and distance XQ. Okay? Now there is a tower PQ. Q is the top of the tower and B is the bottom of the tower. Now the top Q of vertical tower PQ from a point X. Px is a ground level. Now from point X, angle of elevation of the top of Q is given 60 degree. Now again at point Y, that point Y, which is 40 meter above the X. Now here the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Now find the height of tower PQ and the distance XQ. Okay? Let Px be the position of the ground and PQ's tower stands at point P. Now at X, the angle of elevation of top Q is 60 degree. Now at point Y, which is 40 meter above X, here the angle of elevation is 45 degree. So angle of elevation or angle of deviation is always made with horizontal line. So draw horizontal line from Y to R, which is parallel to XT. So angle of elevation is 45. Now here is, that is 90 degree. X, Y, R, P is a rectangle. So Px you can assume that Px be Y and QR be X. Now in rectangle P, X, Y, R, X, Y is 40 meter. So PR will be also 40 meter. Now let QR be X. Then total height of tower is PR plus RQ, X plus 40. So if X is found, then you can find height of tower 40 plus values of X. Therefore height of the tower will be find out. Okay? Now there are two right angles. One is PQ. Here is triangle Q, R and Y. Okay. Another triangle is PQ, X. So in right triangle, in triangle PQX, in triangle PQX, and 60 degree, and 60 degree is equal to perpendicular for 60 degree perpendicular is PQ by base is PX. I put the value of tan 50 degree root 3 PQ. PQ is this one, 40 plus X. 40 plus X. And px is equal to y. Px is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 40 plus x by root 3 root 1. Now in triangle QRY tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is perpendicular QR by base YR. Now put the value of tan 45. 1 is equal to QRX divided by Y. Therefore Y is equal to X. Now equation from first and second. In both equations, LHS are equal, so value of RHS will be also equal. Therefore, 40 plus x root 3 by root 3 is equal to x. Now do cross multiplication. 40 plus x root 3 x. 40 is equal to root 3 x minus x. 40 is equal to x into root 3 minus x. Just for x is equal to 40 by root 3 minus 1. Now this rise by multiply the get of the value of denominator and denominator. So consider root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. It gives 40 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Here identity a minus b a plus b. A square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 3 minus 1 2. Now from 2 you can cancel 40. It gives 20. Now the value of x will be 20 into root 3 plus 1. 20 into, put the value of root 3. 1.732 plus 1. 20 into 2.732. Now multiply 54.640. It gives 54.64. Now we got the value of x. QR. QR is equal to 54.64. Now height of the tower is equal to PR plus RQ. PR plus RQ. 40 plus QR removes. Now put the value of 40 plus 54 minus 64. It gives 94.64. That is the height of the tower. Okay. Now we have to find the length of XY. Length of XY. You can take a triangle PQX. In triangle PQX tan 60. Tan 60. You have find the value of xy, that is the hypotenuse, that is the base. Now you can take tan also, sin also, cos also. So I am taking cos. Cos 60 is equal to base. Base by hypotenuse x cube. My value of cos 60 1 by 2 px. Value of y. Value of y. What is value of y? Y is equal to x. So value x value you know 94. 94.64 divided by x cube. It gives x cube equal to 8. Now x cube is equal to 8. So 1 by 2 into px. Px is equal to y. y, value of y. Px exactly is not. Px means y. Again check this. Y and value of x. Value of x. Cos 60 degree px based by the px is equal to x is equal to y x 54. Px is equal to 54 into 6. Px is equal to x is equal to y by x cube. Now x cube is equal to multiply so the length of x cube is equal to 109.28 109.28. Okay. So you can do the problems like this. Now next problem, write down. As observed from the top of lighthouse 100 meter above the sea level, the angle of depression of ship sailing directly towards it changes from 30 degree to 45 degree. Determine the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observations. And observe from the top of the lighthouse. There is a lighthouse which is vertically standing on the sea level. An angle of depression of ship is 30 degree. When he moves towards tower, it is find angle of depression 45 degree. Now we have to find the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observations. Okay? Means you have to find the distance between the final position and initial position of the ship. Okay? Now answer will be 100 into root 3 minus 1, it is 73.2 meter will become. Okay?